Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down with your finger to the sounds and vibration section. Just tap here, and right now you can see here the ringtone is disabled. Just to change the ringtone volume, swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side. Also you can make that by the second way. Just here press with your finger on the volume buttons, and also you will see here the three dots. You can make this by the swapping with your finger to the up and to the down. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.